Namaste. Welcome to Akanksha Charitable Trust YouTube channel. Today's topic is analogy numbers. Let's begin. In previous videos, we have discussed about analogy of numbers and find different types of relation between the numbers. Let's see the next question so that we can get the new type of relation between the numbers. Okay, moving to the question number 26. The numbers are like this: question mark and 0.16, 0.16 is the first set, and the second set is 0.8 and 64 is the question. See, the all numbers, the question set in the decimal numbers, also the option set. Look at here, 0.2, 0.32, 0.4, 0.5. These are the also in the decimal numbers. So instead of taking the stress, look at here, 8 and 64. How are they related? Yes, 8 square is 64. Same, 16. In the first set you can see 16. So 16 is the square of which number? 4. Simple. So we are taking point before that number. Same. The relation is same. Only you have to take it in a decimal number. That's it. So n square. We have already know that. So 0.8 whole square is 0.64. Is the second number. So 0.16 is square root of 0.16 or square root of 0.16 is 0.4, and that's our required answer, 0.4 in option C. Very easy, isn't it? Okay, moving to the question number 27. 121, 2. We have to relate these two numbers. Then 961 and question mark. Look at this number. 121, 961. These numbers are in the 3 digits. Looks a little bit large numbers. But 2. So 121 and 2. How we are going to relate it? See, I have told I have told already in the previous videos that we have to split these numbers, big numbers as a large number as a separate single digit numbers. Then we are going to find the relation between these numbers, and we arrive at the second part, second number. See, what I am saying is 1, 2, 1. See, if you add these 3 numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 1 gives 4, then we are relating 4, then our answer with the second number. So, how are they related, 4 and 2? Square root of 4 is 2, or 2 square is 4, isn't it? Square root of 4 is 2. Doing the same operation, mathematical operation to the second part. See, 961. First of all, what we have to do? Splitting these numbers as a 3 part, because we can see the 3 numbers in this 961. 9, 6, 1. Adding these numbers, 9 plus 6 plus 1, we get 16. Then what is the square root of 16? 4, isn't it? So the answer is 4, which is in option C. So very easy, isn't it? It's like a game, logic. Okay. 28th question. 7, 49, 9, question mark. Very easy. You can answer the question C. 7 and 49. What are these? 7 square is 49. Yes, the hint is like this. N, first number is N. We arrive at the second number as n square, doing the square of the first number. Okay, 7 square is 49. So, what's the next number? Fourth number, 9 square. So, 9 square is 81. So, 81 is our required answer. So, 81 is the correct answer, which is in option B. Okay. Moving to the next question. Question number 29. Then question set are like this: -2, -32, 3, and question mark. So the the 4 options are in a positive number. So let's see. -2 and -32. How can we relate? See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. We are multiplying it for 5 times. So we can take it as a 2 to the power 5. Let's see. The hint is like this. Yes. N. First of all, we have to take first number as a n. Then fifth power, n to the power 5 is a second number. So I have already told you. So 2 to the power 5 is 32. Why minus 32? See, we are multiplying it for a 5 times, which is a odd number. So if you add for a odd times of numbers, odd times, so you'll get the minus sign itself. See, minus 2 into minus 2, multiplying it for a 2 times, which is a even. So 4 plus 4. Okay, then 4 into minus 2. So plus 4 into minus 2 gives minus 8, plus into minus gives minus. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, multiplying it for 3 times, we will get minus as the answer. So 3 times means odd number. So whenever you multiply it for odd number of times, so you get the same sign without changing any sign. So 5 multiplying it for 5 times, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, multiplying it for 5 times. So 5 is an odd number, so we will get same sign, so that is minus 32. Okay. So the next number is in positive or negative number? Positive. Plus 3. So 3 to the power 5, what we have to find now? 343. Okay, otherwise you can multiply it for 3 into 3, you know that. Then again 3, again you can guess. So 3 into 9, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. Then you can multiply by using multiplication method. So we will arrive at 243. So 243 in option C. So that's our answer. 30th question. 1 by 2, 1 by 8 is the first set. Then second part is 2 by 3 and the question mark. Of course, the 4 options are also in the fraction itself. See, 1 and 1. How can we relate? Before that, see the denominators 2 and 8. In the first set, 2 and 8 are the denominators. How can we relate 2 and 8? 2 cube is 8, isn't it? So, same relation we are applying it to the numerator. 1 cube is equal to 1 itself. See, look at here. Yes, 1 by 2 whole cube, or 1 cube gives 1 and 2 cube, which is in denominator, gives 8 as the answer. So 1 by 8 is the second number. Applying the same relation without changing any numerator or denominator, doing the same operation. So 2 by 3 whole cube. What is 2 cube? 8. 3 cube? 27. So 8 by 27 is the required answer, which is in option C. So we have to choose option C as a correct answer. I hope you understood this video. If you have any queries or doubts, comment below. If you want to practice on this question, on this topic, quiz link given below, go through it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.